Trobe University has announced plans to be the state's first carbon-neutral tertiary facility. The $75 million plan pledges that the university will be emissions-free in 10 years. To do this, the university is investing in smart technology and artificial intelligence to manage its 50 buildings' energy use. Adjustments to lighting, heating and cooling systems to reduce energy consumption are planned, as well as installing more than 7,000 solar panels on 27 buildings across the university's Bundoora campus. These panels are in addition to those already installed in the Mildura, Shepparton, Bendigo and Albury-Wodonga campuses. Bundoora will also oversee the replacement of 50,000 light globes with energy-efficient LED lights and eliminating organic waste transferred to landfill. Zero emissions is when the energy produced is balanced by an equal amount of carbon offset. This can be done by producing clean energy or by buying carbon credits. The announcement comes less than 1 week after Monash University's own pledge to become carbon neutral by 2030. If successful, La Trobe will beat Monash by 1 year. This is Hannah Bramble reporting for Upstart.